sin 0 0 cos 90 0, sin 91 cos 0 1, sin 31 by 2 cos 61 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2 cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, tan 60 value is root 3, tan 45 is equal to 1, tan 90 is infinite. Circle R radius, L arc length, theta angle. Length of the arc equal to r into theta. Before going to solve the problems, we should memorize these formulas. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Half angle formula, sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Sin 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Sin 2 pi plus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 2 pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. CBSE trigonometric functions prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. ஸோ இதில் வந்து cos c minus cos d ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். இந்த இதில் cos c minus cos d ஃபார்முலா, இது c இது d. cos c minus cos d உடைய ஃபார்முலா வந்து minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். cos c minus cos d. இப்போ cos 3 pi by 4 plus x, c வந்து 3 pi by 4x. cos 3 pi by 4, c உடைய வேல்யூ 3 pi by 4x, d வேல்யூ 3 pi by 4 minus x. cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. This is c, this is d. Cos c minus cos d formula is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d. c plus d means 3 pi by 4 plus x. c plus d 3 pi by 4 minus x. c plus d by 2. c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. sin c minus d 3 pi by 4 plus x minus means minus 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus into minus plus x by 2 plus minus cancel plus x minus x cancel. So remaining minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 6 pi by 4 6 pi by 4 into 2 sine x plus x 2x 2x by 2 x plus x 2x by 2 2 to cancel minus 2 sine is cancelled 3 times 3 pi by 4 3 pi by 4 sine x minus 2 sine. We have written this angle this form pi minus pi by 4 into sine x, because pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 4 sine 180 minus theta sine theta sine 180 minus theta sine theta. So sine pi by 4 into sine x minus 2 sine pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 sine 45 1 by root 2 into sine x minus root 2 into root 2 2 is 2 root 2 into root 2 by 2 by root 2 sine x root 2 cancel. Final answer minus root 2 into sine x. This is the answer. 11th CBSE trigonometric functions. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. Cos A cos B formula cos A into cos B. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து cos A cos B formula இது A இது B ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம் மைனஸ் இது A இது B sin A sin B sin A sin B A pi by 4 minus x A pi by 4 minus y B cos A cos B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos A plus B equal to cos A plus B formula. This formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula. Put A is equal to pi by 4 minus x B is equal to pi by 4 minus y. A is equal to pi by 4 minus x B is equal to pi by 4 minus y. Cos A plus B is cos A plus B pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos A plus B formula. Cos A means pi by 4 minus x plus B means pi by 4 minus y. Simplifying pi by 4 plus pi by 4 pi by 4 இப்போ pi by 4 ஆட் பண்ணலாம் இதில் மைனஸ் காமன் எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா x plus y ஃபுல்லாக ஒரே ப்ராக்கெட் pi by 4 plus pi by 4 ரிமைனிங் minus x minus y மைனஸ் காமன் எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா இது வந்து ப்ளஸ் வரும் x plus y வரும் cos 4 LCM 4 காமன் எடுத்தால் pi plus pi 2 pi minus of x plus y total cancel pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus x plus y cos pi by 2 minus theta cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Here theta is x plus y. Theta is x plus y. So answer sin theta value x plus y. Proved. Thank you.